everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to do a simple random sampling and a stratified random sampling technique using these candies. So suppose this is our population and the different colors here represent the different characteristics of our target respondents. So from your population, you are expected to get a sample. So a sample is a subset of the population. So suppose we would like to get 20 respondents from this population. So by employing a simple random sampling technique, we are going to pick randomly 20 candies here. So suppose these are the randomly chosen 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So again, this is our sample and this is a subset from this population. However, as you observed in the result of our simple random sampling, many of the respondents are in colored pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We only have 3 for orange. We have 2 for white. We have 4 for green. And we also have 2 for yellow. Probably there are chances that when you do a simple random sampling from this population, there might be chances that you can pick additional green without color yellow, or you can only have 2 colors or 3 colors from the different colors of the population. So one of the approaches that we are going to do to avoid that bias in the selection of the sample, we may employ a stratified random sampling technique. So how are you going to do a stratified random sampling? This is our target population, and on our previous video, we learned how to do a simple random sampling. So you just randomly picked or select your samples from the target population. However, the drawback would be there might be chances that you can pick all pink or all green colored, or probably all orange or yellow colored. Or there might also be chances that you can select a higher percentage of these candies in colored orange and less for the other colors. So for us to ensure a relatively distributed samples from the population, we may perform first stratification before we are going to do a random sampling. So for us to perform a stratified random sampling from this population, you are going first to create your stratum. And we have here 5 circles. This represents the 5 stratum. And my stratum here is based on color. So to do a stratified random sampling, you stratify first the candies. So you separate those who are in colored green. So in the conduct of a survey research, this is also similar on a stratum based on year level from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 5th year, or probably based on strand if you are doing a survey for a senior high school students, 5 strands or tracks, depending on the type of your stratum that you are going to choose. Or probably your stratum will be based on religion, A, B, C, D, and E. So let us continue doing the stratification. The purpose of this sampling technique is to really ensure that we can pick or we can select from the population a representative from different colors. Because when you do a simple random sampling technique and you want to have 20, for example, or 10 samples from the population, there might be chances that you can pick 9 from red and only 1 from yellow and no representatives from other color. So that is why we are doing here. Okay, so we are now doing a stratification, and remember that this is a stratified random. So when we speak of random, you are expected to randomly picked your representative from the stratum that you have created. So remember, from the population, you stratified it first and then you randomly pick samples from your stratum. So that is why it's stratified random sampling.